Join us on an unforgettable adventure through the breathtaking landscapes of Kashmir with a group of 30 travelers. After arriving Srinagar in the evening and taking some rest, we kicked off our exploration the next day with our first destination, Sonmarg. Stay tuned as we take you through the mesmerizing beauty, exciting experiences, and unforgettable moments of this incredible trip. Sonmarg or Sonmarg, Meadow of Gold in Kashmiri, is a hill station located in the Ganderbal district of Jammu and Kashmir, India. It is located about 62 kilometers from Ganderbal town and 80 kilometers northeast of the capital city, Srinagar. The hill station is situated in the Kashmir Valley at an altitude of 2,730 meters. Combined with the alpine meadows that bloom in the summer as well as rivers and lakes stocked with fish, Sonmarg is a notable tourist destination in Jammu and Kashmir. Sonmarg is accessible by bus or car from Srinagar via National Highway 1, NH1, and the Jojila Pass. During the winter, heavy snowfall and avalanches block the NH1, meaning local traffic is only permitted up to Gagangar village, which is the last permanent settlement of this area. But now, due to construction of Zedmora tunnel, the road will remain open throughout the year. Sonmarg had historical significance as a gateway on the ancient Silk Road connecting Kashmir with Tibet. Today, the hill station is a popular tourist destination amongst fishers and hikers, and following the Kargil War with neighboring Pakistan in 1999, serves as a strategically important point for the Indian Army. When Sonmarg is open for road transport, the visitors can have access to snow which is furnished all over like a white carpet. Private vehicles are not allowed. Visitors have to hire taxi. Ponies can be hired for the trip up to Thajivas Glacier, a major attraction during the summer months. The next day, we headed to the famous winter wonderland, Gulmarg. Unfortunately, not all of us could experience the iconic Gulmarg gondola ride, as only half of our group managed to get tickets. But that didn't stop the rest of us from exploring the beauty of Gulmarg. On the way, we stopped at Tungmarg to rent snow boots. With our boots on and spirits high, we set off to explore the sights Gulmarg had to offer. After reaching the gondola parking area, we hired local vehicles to take us around. Come along as we discover some of the best sightseeing spots in Gulmarg. Our first stop in Gulmarg was the historic Maharaja Hari Singh Palace. The palace was built by modern-day Maharaja of Kashmir Manzoor Ahmad Khan. In 20th century, the palace had been built over an area on 8,700 square feet by Maharaja, and it is a single-story building. The building is highly decorated by wooden structure, and the exterior design of palace is wonderful with turrets, grand entrance portico and number of windows are fitted with glasses. The exteriors of the building is reminiscent of European architecture. The palace comprises 15 rooms and a central hall banquet of varying dimensions highly crafted with panelled walls. Some bedrooms with little furniture of that period was found intact, and some bedrooms have fireplaces to keep rooms warm, especially in harsh winters. In one the room there is arms and ammunition of that period used by Maharaja but are locked for view of public. Another side the palace has horse stable on underground with olden wooden beams and timber ceiling. Overall interior of the palace is looking astonishing. Gulmarg lies in a cup-shaped valley in the Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas, at an altitude of 2,650 meters, 56 kilometers from Srinagar. The natural meadows of Gulmarg, which are covered with snow in winter, allow the growth of wildflowers such as daisies, forget-me-nots and buttercups during spring and summer. The meadows are interspersed by enclosed parks and small lakes, and surrounded by forests of green pine and pear. Skiing and other winter sports in Gulmarg are carried out on the slopes of Afar Wat Peak at a height of 4,267 meters. Many points on Afar Wat Peak and Khilan Marg offer a panoramic view of Nanga Parbat and Harmukh mountains. Yusuf Shah Chak, who ruled Kashmir from 1579 to 1586, frequented the place with his queen Habba Khatun and renamed it Gulmarg, Meadow of Flowers, from Gauri Marg, meaning the path of goddess Gauri, the name used by locals in reverence to goddess Parvati, wife of Lord Shiva. Wildflowers of 21 different varieties were collected by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir for his gardens in Gulmarg. In the 19th century, British civil servants started using Gulmarg as a retreat to escape summers in the Indo-Gangetic plains. Hunting and golfing were their favorite pastime, and 3 golf courses were established in Gulmarg, including one exclusively for women. One of the golf courses is located at an altitude of 2,650 meters, is the world's highest golf course. In 1927, British established a ski club in Gulmarg and 2 annual ski events were hosted, one during Christmas and Easter. Besides Gulmarg's iconic landscapes, other notable Bollywood film shooting locations in the region include Afar Wat Peak, Khilan Marg, St. Mary's Church, and the Maharani Temple. Gulmarg, known as the Meadow of Flowers, Gulmarg's snow-clad hills and lush green slopes have been a favorite for filmmakers, with movies like Jab Tak Hai Jaan, Highway, Heda, and Ye Jawani Hai Deewani being filmed there. Khilan Marg, another location within Gulmarg, Khilan Marg is known for its enchanting views and has been featured in several Bollywood films. St. Mary's Church, located near the Gulmarg Golf Course, this church, with its ancient architectural wonders, has also been used as a filming location. Maharani Temple, also known as the Shiva Temple, this temple in the center of Gulmarg is famous for its association with the song Jai Jai Shiva Shankar from the 1970s. Gulmarg has provided the perfect setting for adrenaline-pumping snow-filled action sequences in Bollywood movies. In the movie Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi, Akshay Kumar is seen engaging in thrilling snow adventures. In the movie Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone gave audiences major travel goals with their stunning romantic moments amidst the snow-capped mountains of Gulmarg. Gulmarg played a significant role in the critically acclaimed film Hai Der, a modern adaptation of William Shakespeare's Hamlet. The scenic landscapes of Gulmarg provided the perfect backdrop for the intense and dramatic moments in the movie. Gulmarg's charm has been captured on celluloid since the early years of Indian cinema. The evergreen romance of Rishi Kapoor and Dimple Kapadia in the classic film Bobby was captured in Gulmarg. The song Hum Tum Ek Kamre Mein Band Ho showcased the mesmerizing beauty of Gulmarg and became an instant hit. A helicopter ride to the breathtaking Sunshine Point in the upper reaches of Gulmarg is fast becoming a major attraction for tourists, adding a new dimension to adventure tourism in Kashmir. After spending a day in Gulmarg, we started our return journey. The next morning, we checked out from our hotel and began our drive towards Pahalgam. Stay tuned as we continue our Kashmir adventure in the next video. Until then, bye and take care.